Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Trello's Card Relationships Power-Up. This fantastic tool can revolutionize your project management by linking cards together and giving you a more comprehensive view of your workflow. To kick things off, you need to enable the Card Relationships Power-Up. Navigate to your board's menu, click on Power-Ups, then find and enable Card Relationships. This step is crucial because it activates the feature we need to work with. Now that we've done that, let's create some relationships between cards. Go to a card and click the Card Relationships button in the Power Up section. From the drop-down menu, select Link to a Card. This allows you to connect related tasks, making it easier to see dependencies and how work interrelates. Once you've selected Link to a Card, you'll be prompted to choose a card from any of your boards. Select the card you want to link, and voila, you've created your first card relationship. The reason we do this is to ensure that related tasks are visually connected, making it easier to track progress and manage your workflow. Next up, we're going to add some context to these relationships. You can add a description to each link, clarifying the nature of the relationship between the two cards. Just click on the link you've created, and you'll see a field where you can type your description. This helps us because it provides a clear understanding of why two tasks are linked, which can be particularly useful for larger teams or more complex projects. Lastly, you can view all of your card relationships in a compact visual way using the graph view. Click on the Show Graph button on any card to see a visual representation of all linked cards. Let me explain why this matters. The graph view helps you see your project's big picture, understanding the dependencies and connections at a glance. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Trello's Card Relationships Power-Up to streamline your project management process. Remember, the goal here is to make your workflow more efficient and interconnected, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.